factory.
Yeah, really
what
cool
do they have
building.
here? They have a ThyssenKrupp ISIS.
In an old freight elevator shaft.
Yeah, well, that's where the ISIS used to be. The ISIS took the old freight elevator shaft. So you come in.
Well, that's why I said in an old one. Got a diner over here.
Very good restaurant if you want a good breakfast.
Elevator this way.
And you see they shoved it on there. And over here they've got a museum. This is our history museum, right? You can just see there's the that's the building when it was a factory still.
It's really cool.
These are some of the rocks mined from our. I don't know if all these just came from various mines in Missouri. It's not necessarily the ones around here, but it's just ones throughout Missouri.
Yeah, see Hot Springs, Arkansas, so even just the region.
It's just out of state even too. Yeah, you can see. Look at this old sewing machine this is from when they used it as a factory. And then here's the old plate from the old freight elevator. I don't know if you've ever been on a Miller before.
Not if I can think of.
Old fire sprinkler stuff over here too. Mm-hmm. Like you can see, there's the old sign there.
Yeah.
Pretty neat though, isn't it?
That's a really cool place.
And there's the old fire sprinkler. But why are we actually here? We're riding the elevator.
My first center opening ISIS.
Yeah.
And just like Jason was telling me earlier, you could see the original width of the freight elevator door and how they just built it in with sheetrock.
Yep. And that's the controller right there. After you. It's very dark in here.
Yeah, say what you will about these things, but that is the best elevator chime ever.
Yeah. Next to the old Westinghouse dinner bell, of course.
Yeah. Oh boy, here we go. For an ISIS, this thing actually runs really well. Dual lanterns too, wow.
Yep. They used to have an independent service key in there, but it's gone now.
The sign.
Yeah, there used to be a key in there.
Yeah.
Does the brake sound cool in this thing?
Yeah. Such a dark cab, though.
Let me ring the bell.
It's big for an ISIS, too.
Yeah. Listen to the motor.
Yeah.
Start after you. This thing used to shake like mad years ago, but it doesn't anymore.
It seems well maintained.
It didn't used to be. Did you feel that smooth start there? It used to jerk so hard, the whole cab would shake. It was pretty bad for a while. They hadn't inspected it since like 2006. It was ridiculous.
I wasn't paying attention. I realized my camera lost focus. Sorry about that, guys.
That's fine. We'll do one more chime here.
Yeah. And you can see a ThyssenKrupp logo in the dark. Very cool, though.
What do you think of that?
Really cool.
All right. And it's off it goes. All right. Time for pizza for real now.
All right, we're at Menards in Farmington. SDL elevators.
Yep.
And we have a very exciting elevator over here with the fastest door operator I've ever seen. Get ready for this.
If you look on the interlock,
Such a strange shape. It's like hospital size.
look up on the interlock, you can see who made it. It's got the A-bell tag on there.
Oh, yeah.
It's gotten louder. It really has.